Hello guys, we are back again. So today I want to show you how you can make money online. So all you just need to do is to follow me step by step, showing you how you can make money online. So the way to make money is very simple, but you need to apply a strategy to be able to make the money. That's right, you understand what I'm talking about. So guys, if you don't know me, my name is God's Power and I make video a way on how to make money online. So today I'm going to show you a very simple way to make money online. So let's get started. So this way to make money online is very simple. It's a website that allows you to review a product and they pay you up to 10 to $30 or $40 depending on the time you spend on this website. So they are going to pay you 10 to 30 to $50. So you need to watch this video to the end. That is why I said watch this video to the end so that I will show you step by step how it works and how you can go and take action. It's a very three simple easy step. I will show you the three simple easy steps. So let's get started. And let's head over to this website. So as you can see, this is the website. Before I start talking about the website, if you like this video, don't forget to like and comment. Leave your thoughts about this particular video and what you find in this video, and if it's helpful to you, just leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll be very happy to see your comment, and I'll make sure I reply as soon as I see your comment. So this is the website. It's called Userlytics.com. It's called Userlytics.com. It's a website that allows you to review products for companies like Nike, Alibaba, AliExpress, all those type of products. Or you can go and review a particular brand product like Puma, any type of product, any kind of product. It can be a car, it can be anything. Just give your honest opinion, read out the product, talk loud about the product. As you can see, all you need is your earphone, like you can see on the screen here. This person that is wearing earphone, you need your earphone and you need to be in a quiet place. That is what you need. So the first thing, you need your earphone, which is your earset. Yes, your earset. I will put it in the screen so that you understand, for those of you who don't know what is earset. And make sure you are in a place on that is calm, where there is no noise around, and you need your smartphone and you need a notebook to, if you want to write things down. So that is all you need. So once you have your headset and you have your notebook, you have your computer and your internet connection running, that is all you need, and you will be allowed to work on this website. So to get started, let me show you around the website. You can see it says scalable and customized user research. So your website application, mobile apps, footage types, even even what did they put there? Even competitors, and asset optimize your customer journey, the user interface, and your user experience. So on this website, if you see like what I just read just now, they're just trying to let you to know that what you are going to be doing is you are going to be reviewing a product, reviewing application, reviewing the interface. They are going to be giving you the interface of a website, and all you have to do is to read out everything, just like as I'm reading right now. If you see what they write here, you just read it out, like scalable and customized user research. So when you have to read it out, you have to allow them to, like you are hearing me now, read it out. And when you are reviewing the product, that is what you do. You read it out to on the review that they are telling you to do, because they'll be capturing your screen and everything. They'll be capturing your screen, capturing your voice, capturing your mask, knowing every direction and everywhere that you are going, because you are going to be, it's like you are going to be teaching somebody this thing to them, like, okay, this product is good, this product is not good, I like it in this way. You just give your honest opinion, review the product, and at the end of the day you will make 10 to $50 for just doing this method. It's very simple. All you do is to go and register on this platform. So before we go to the section of register, let us come down. Let me show you around. As you can see, their clients, they have a lot of clients, thousands of clients that is working with them. Google, Microsoft, Trivago, can many things, many type of company that is working with Userlytics, because those Google, Userlytics, all those companies that you are seeing here that is under here, their clients, the area they say their clients, all those of their clients, which is Google, Kana, a lot of company that is partnering with the Userlytics, they are giving out their product to customer to review. They want me and you to review and give our honest opinion about that particular product. So what you have to do is to go to this Userlytics, sign up, and they will approve you in before 1 week. They will send you a message to tell you that you will be approved before 1 week. So they will send you a message, and when they send you a message, the message is a testing message. When this message arrives, all you need to do is to go through the testing. So when you are approved by the through the testing, and your account will be created, you have your password and your email, and that is all. So once you have that created and you have been approved by Userlytics, then you will start making money. So how you make money is that you need to be checking your email every time, because they are going to be sending you the offers on your email. So once they send you the offers, I will show you how it will look, and I will show you how much they have sent me. They have sent me almost about $70, if I'm not mistaken, with this method. So I will show you proof at the end of this video. So you will just go around the website and see how it works, and see that this website is a legit website that you can go and start using. So you can just go around, you can see the how it works here, you can see how it works here. You can just read everything out and see how everything works and take actions, just like I'm showing you here. I already told you how it works. All you need to do is to give your honest opinion about a particular product, and you will get paid at the end of everything. So that is how it works. You can see their blogs here. You can just go and be checking out their blog if you want, and you can come down here. You can see their footage of their website. You can just scroll down and see everything. You can see that this website is created since 2009 to 2021. So they found this website 2009, yes, 2009 to 2021. So it's I think it's about almost 10 years, or 10 years, almost 10 years or 10 years plus. I think 2009 to 2021, I think is about 12 years, if I'm not mistaken here. So that is it, guys. It's about 12 years this website is running, 2009 to 2021, I think 12 years, yeah. So that's it, guys. That's it. 12 years or 11 years, if I'm not mistaken. It's like I'm mistaken. I think it's 11 years. So that's it, guys. So all you just need to do now is to go and start participating on this website. So I will still try to explain and make you to understand this website and how you can be approved very quickly. So all you just need to do is to make sure you have your headset on, and you have your notebook if you want to write down some things, and you stay in a quiet place to make the video. So that is how it works. So to start using this website, you just need to follow this process. Come to this section that says testing sign up. Click on this area that says testing sign up. Click on testing sign up. So when you click on testing sign up, so here you will see that they will explain some things to you. You will see that they will say get paid to test website and apps. So that is how they work. And it's a register and earn money. So to register, the first part is to register. 2 is to interact with a web or app. Then 3 is to get paid. So you can see what I told you. They pay you even from $5 to $20, and you can make a lot of money per hour. You see what they are saying. Say, let me read it out so that you see how much they can pay you for using these services. So say let's go directly to where the money is coming, because I know that is where your focus will be on. It says get paid via PayPal. Once your testing results have been approved, depending upon the user test project, you can be paid $5 to $10 to $15 to $20, or another amount. Some of our projects pay as much as $90, having fun and experience opinion while navigating the web. So what they do here is very simple. Just like what me I'm showing you now is what you are going to be doing for other companies. Like you'll be introducing, like I'm introducing user analytics to you now, is what you are going to be doing for other companies. It's like you just do the review, but they are the one that we're going to have the video. Like for me now, I'm posting it on YouTube. So what they will do, they will take the video from you because you will not have access to the video. Once everything is done, you will see that the video will disappear. You will not see it again. They will tell you, thank you for participating on this program. We will inform you once your testing have been approved. So once it's approved, you will get paid. So that is how it works. So to sign up is very simple. Enter your email address here. Enter your email address here. Let me enter one of my email. Let me enter this email and click on I accept terms or condition, accept for condition. And once I accept all those things, once I accept all those things, that is all. And I will click on sign up. That is how you can sign up. That is how I will come back to the area how you can sign up to. So how it works. So you can see the area that says how it works. Like what I explain everything to you, that how you can take tasks, you can get paid up to 10 to 5 to 10, 15 to $20, even up to $90 for just participating and giving your honest opinion about a particular product. Make sure you speak loud, talk loud, and make them to hear you. And yeah, speak loud just like I'm speaking right now, and allow them to hear you voicing out your voice and making them to understand exactly what you are explaining to them. And at the end of the day, you will make money. So this is a huge opportunity. As you can see, it's available in many countries, so you can just go and participate. So I know a lot of you will be wondering where is it available. So you can see that it's available in a lot of countries. So you just need to go and join this program and start using it to what? Making free money for just reviewing products. So that is how it works. As you can see, those are the apps and the webs. You can see it's available on desktop and it's available, and you can use this on your desktop and you can use this on your smartphone. So all you just need to do is to check everything. You can see that they have their Google app. You can just go to their Google app, install their application, and start using user testing. So that is how it works. As you can see, it's available on your smartphone and it's available on your tablet. So that is how it works. So to sign up, let us go to the area to sign up. To sign up, just click on sign up. So once you sign up, you will receive this email that will tell you that they have sent you an email to and the details of every further information. So all you just need to do, you need to go to your email. They will send you information that will remind you to tell you that you have signed up on this website that is called Userlytics. So once you receive the email, you follow the instruction. The instruction is that they will test you. You understand? Is the testing part. So all you just need to do is to follow the testing part, and that is all. That is all you just need to do, and you will get paid at the end of the day. So let me show you proof. That is how it works, guys. So we end from here, and you just need to go and take action. If this video really helped you, all you just need to do, smash that like button and comment it helped me, if it really helped you. So let me go to my Gmail account and show you the email I received from Userlytics. As you can see, this email here is from Userlytics. Let us click on it and see what they say here. I will read it out clearly to you. I will not hide anything. This is the email that I received from Userlytics. It says Userlytics new available mobile agent retail application prototype. So desktop, and at the bottom you can see the email they sent to me. Userlytics, they are the company that you just see, which is this company. You see the name here. Don't just skip any area. You see the name here. So I'm showing you proof that it's them that sent me this email here. Is a offer that they sent to me to do. So they said latest customer insight, and at the bottom they say dear Power, which is my name. You already know my name, dear Power. Then at the bottom you can see what they say here. It says you have been invited to participate in a new user experience test and user experience test. So click on the button below to start your test and provide feedback. So, and look at how much I'm getting here. I'm getting $30 for participating on this only this one. I'm getting $30. So as you can see here, you see there is a $30 reward for testing. So require a computer connected to the internet. So they require you they require that your computer have to be connected to what? To your to internet. So once your computer is connected to internet, take your earphone, take a book, and start talking about the product that they are telling you to review. You just need to review the product, and that is so. Just give your honest opinion. Talk about the particular product, and just be moving your mouth. Okay, I like this product. I don't like this. Yeah, this area is good. I would have loved to buy. No, just give your honest opinion, and you make what? Money. So that is how it works. So let me show you another email I received from them again. This is proof to tell you that they pay. So don't doubt this website. So to tell you that they pay, let me go to again, and you see I think they send me $10 here. So the same thing. See Userlytics test available. Qua survey user. So come down here, you can see Diego's Power, which is me. You already know me, and you can see at the bottom here, they are paying me how much here? They are paying me $10 for just testing this product. That is how you just work, and you don't need to do anything. They pay me $30 for just using this program. That is it, and that is it. So let us see again if they send me another they send me another offer. So as you can see, let us scroll down again. I think they send me here. You can see this is which date? I think is March 15. March 15 here, which is almost some days ago here that I did the offer. You can see Diego's Power. As you can see at the bottom again, $30 again. Oh my God. What? You just need to go and start using this website. So all I want you to do is to smash that like button and subscribe. That is only what I want you to do. Comment, I did it, I like this, so that I will be motivated to make more video like this, because I cannot just be showing you guys this type of things and you are not doing anything about it. So all you just need to do is to go and start participating on this website, which is called Userlytics. So just go and start participating on Userlytics and start making a huge amount of money right now. So that is it, guys, and I'm going to end the video from here. I'm going to say thank you if you watch it to the end, and I'm going to say thank you again, and thank you very much. I'm going to say bye bye from here. Don't forget again, subscribe to my channel if you like this video. If you don't like it, dislike, or don't even, just go out from the video. So just go out from the video. Okay, if you like the video, just subscribe, and that is all I want from you. Like if this video really helped you, and don't forget to check out my website, which will pop up, YouGodsPower, www.YouGodsPower.com, and don't forget again to check me out on I am Ray Gospel on Instagram, I am Ray Gospel on Facebook, I am Ray Gospel on Twitter. So you can chat me up so that we can have a conversation and see what will help you in this making money industry. So thank you very much, and peace out. See you soon a way on how to make money online, and bye bye.